Hi, my name is Wayne Pinnell. I'm the managing partner here at Haskell & White. Today I'd like to talk to you about planning for the ultimate sale of your business. I boiled it down to 6 key topics, and conveniently I'll have them start with the letter P to let them be a little bit easier to remember. So the first thing I want to talk about is P number 1, products or services. When you're planning to sell your business, it's important to have a product or service that is differentiated from another company in your environment. It's going to make the value of your company be that much more enticing to a future buyer. The second P, profits. It's very important that while you have a great product, you also have a company that's producing profits, because oftentimes a deal is structured as a multiple of your earnings. So P number 3, the process for delivery. As you think about your product or service, also think about how your product or service is getting to market. If you're distributing a product, having a distribution network in place, the more places it feeds the wholesaler, ultimately to the end user, that network itself will have a value. If you're a service provider, perhaps you have other people that are working for you delivering it through a franchise model. However that is built, the more people you can reach through your process will create more value for your business. So then the fourth one, practices. This is a little bit more nuts and bolts. How are you running your business? From a governance standpoint, down to what we would refer to commonly in the accounting industry as internal controls. Well-run companies that practice good governance strategies, have a board in place, have a board of advisors, really getting the top-notch advisory services they need throughout the period of growth are also going to lend value and increase the value upon sale of the company. So then the key one really, everybody will mention manage it. Let me turn that fifth bullet, just call it people. Having the right people in the right positions are going to help add value to the company, because a buyer is going to look and see that you have people that are well tuned, well trained, they know how to run the business. And for a sole proprietor, you have to think about this business. Do you have the people that can run it without you? Because ultimately, if you are a sole proprietor and you sell your business, that is what's going to happen. They need to have people behind you that can take this to the next level. And then the sixth P, planning. It's never too early to start. When you start the business, it's oftentimes too busy of a time to think about how you're going to get out of the business at the end, but every business is going to have an exit. What's yours? Are you planning for a 3-year run and sell it? Are you planning for a 30-year run to sell it? There's a lot of things that have to happen between now and then. The best thing to do is start planning early so you're well ahead of the curve before somebody comes knocking at your door and wants to buy your business. So that's the 6 Ps. Very simple, but all very important. If you find that you're not firing on all 8 cylinders on any one of these areas, please give us a call. We'd be glad to help you figure out how to put a plan in place to make your business as valuable as it can be when you want to sell it.